Discover the exciting features of the Moto G Stylus 5G 2025. Pricing. Looking for the best deals? Check out these offers from our affiliate partners. You might even help us out with a commission from qualifying sales. 256 GB 8 GB RAM for just $399.99. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0dwv55dxh?mark tag =GSM Arena 09-20 link code $1 Show all prices. https://www.gsmarena.com/Motorola_Moto_G_5G_2025. Price 13784.php. Introduction, specs, unboxing. Let's talk about a smartphone that's making waves in the market, but only in select regions. It's a real gem that offers an affordable alternative to the high-end Samsung S Pen models. Say hello to the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2025. This stylish device comes packed with a handy stylus, impressive mid-range specs, and a clean, powerful Android experience that you'll love. Available in the US, this model is a treat for those who appreciate functionality and flair. If you're in India, you might know it as the Motorola Edge 60 Stylus, which has a slightly different chipset. But today, we're diving into the US version. One of the standout features of the Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 is its long-awaited IP68 rating, meaning it's dust-tight and can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Plus, it meets several MIL STD810H standards, ensuring it can handle extreme conditions like humidity and temperature changes. The design is sleek, featuring a Gorilla Glass front and a back panel that's not just stylish, but eco-friendly, made from cool-looking eco-leather. The phone boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. With a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, it supports 10-bit color depth and HDR content, making your viewing experience vibrant and immersive. Under the hood, you'll find a Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chip, a slight upgrade from its predecessor, the SD6 Gen 1. This model comes with a generous 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and yes, you can still expand it with a microSD card, something that's becoming increasingly rare these days. When it comes to photography, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 doesn't disappoint. It features a 50MP primary camera with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP selfie camera, all capable of capturing stunning 4K videos. Powering this device is a robust 5,000 mAh battery that supports rapid 68W turbocharging. And for those who love the convenience of wireless charging, it's also available at 15W. Running on Android 15, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2025 comes with Google's AI features and all the stylus-related functionalities you could ask for. Here's a quick look at the specs. Asterisk body, 162.2 by 74.8 by 8.3 millimeters, 191G, Gorilla Glass front, Eco Leather back, plastic frame, stylus included, IP68 dust and water resistant, up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes, ml, STD810H compliant. Asterisk display, 6.70-inch AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, HDR, 3000 nits, peak, 1220x2712px resolution, 20.01:9 aspect ratio, 444 ppi. Asterisk chipset, Qualcomm SM6475, AB Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, 4 nm octa-core, 4 by 2.4 GHz Cortex A78 and 4 by 1.8 GHz Cortex A55. Adreno 710. Asterisk memory. 256 GB 8 GB RAM. UFS 2.2. microSDXC. Dedicated slot. Asterisk OS/software. Android 15. Asterisk rear camera. 50 MP. Main. 13 MP ultra-wide. Asterisk front camera. 32 MP. Asterisk video capture. 4K at 30 FPS. 1080p at 30/60/120 FPS. Asterisk battery. 5000 mAh. 68W wired. 15W wireless. Asterisk connectivity. 5G, eSIM. Wi-Fi 6E, BT 5.4, NFC, 3.5mm jack. Asterisk miscellaneous. Under display fingerprint reader. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. With all these impressive features packed into a $400 phone, it's hard to find anything missing. Motorola has truly stepped up their game with this upgrade, and we couldn't be happier. Unboxing the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2025. When you unbox the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2025, you'll find it nestled in a sleek, thin paper box. Inside, you'll discover the phone and a USB-C cable. That's it, no case or screen protector included in the retail bundle, so you might want to grab those separately to keep your new device safe.